Hi everyone. We are studying the important days of February in this lecture. There are certain dates in February which are quite important from your examination point of view. It is because whenever you attempt or whenever you appear for a competitive examination, you are asked questions on the important days in static GK portion. For example, you could be asked, when do we celebrate Navy Day? When do we celebrate Air Force Day? So you must know these dates. So I would recommend you to learn the important days month-wise rather than learning the entire year. So this is the second lecture of the series. The link of the first lecture is below in the description box. You should go and check it out. February 1st, it is celebrated as Indian Coast Guard Day. Indian Coast Guard was first established on 1st of February 1977. It was established to prevent seaborne smuggling of goods which were hampering India's domestic economy. So it is celebrated every year so that we could prevent these seaborne smugglings. Next, February 2nd. It is celebrated or it is observed as World Wetlands Day. Wetland. It is celebrated every year to raise global awareness about the value of wetlands for humanity and the planet. February 4th, it is observed as World Cancer Day. It was started by Union for International Cancer Control in 2000. Also, this is the day when Facebook was invented. Facebook was invented in 2006. So February 4th is also celebrated as Facebook Day from 2006. It is also the National Day of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka got independence in 1948. So from February 4th, 1948, we celebrate this day as the National Day of Sri Lanka. From 2006 as Facebook Day. And we also observe World Cancer Day on February 4th from 2000. Then comes World Marriage Day. It is always celebrated on second Sunday of February, World Marriage Day. This day celebrates like everything about marriage. Then comes February 6th. It is observed as International Day Against Female Genital Mutilation. February 11th, it is the World Day of the Sick. See, you can remember these days in a funny way also. Like if you have a friend who is always sick, so you can say that your day is celebrated on 11th of February because the day is observed as the World Day of the Sick. You just have to find out the tricks on how to remember these days. February 12th, it is the day when Charles Darwin was born. He is the man who gave the theory of origin of species. He was born in 1809. Also, Abraham Lincoln, जिनका democracy का definition we learn, the easiest definition of democracy, that it is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. So he was also born on 12th of February. Like you remember your birthday, try to remember the birthday of these legends also. Charles Darwin and Abraham Lincoln both were born on 12th of February. 13th February, it is celebrated as World Radio Day. It is to generate awareness about the importance of radio. There are still many countries in the world which are entirely dependent on radio for like communication or for some news. Also, as National Women's Day, Sarojini Naidu, who is famously or popularly known as the Nightingale of India, she was also born on 13th of February. Sarojini Naidu, you must know some facts about her. She's the first women president of INC, that means Indian National Congress. Also, she's the first women governor of United Province, which is now known as Uttar Pradesh. February 14th, ये सबको पता है, it is celebrated as Valentine's Day by the name of the word Valentine. It is taken from the name of Saint Valentine. February 20, it is the World Day of Social Justice. Also, the foundation day of Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh was founded on February 20th. World Day of Social Justice means this day creates awareness that everybody should get employment, should get the basic necessities for living a life of dignity. February 21st, it is celebrated as the International Mother Language Day. It was first announced by UNESCO on 17th of November 1999. That means we celebrate International Mother Language Day from 1999. This day creates awareness about the diversity of languages we have in the world. In fact, in India, in Rajasthan, if you see, at every 15 kilometers, the language changes. So this is the language diversity of the world. February 22nd, it is the World Scout Day. It is celebrated on the birthday of Lord Baden-Powell, who is the pioneer of scouting. That means he's the one who discovered scout, that there is something called scout also. This day is also celebrated as World Thinking Day. February 23rd, the Day of Peace. World Peace and Understanding Day. The day is celebrated to create awareness about the benefits of having peace in the entire world. February 24th is the Central Excise Day. It is to encourage the employees of Excise Department to carry out the central excise duty all over the world. I mean, all over the India in better way in order and even to prevent the corruption in goods manufacturing. Then comes February 28th. This is the day which we are quite familiar. It is celebrated as National Science Day on the birthday of C.V. Raman, जिन्होंने रमन इफेक्ट इन्वेंट किया था. I have a question for you now that you have read about all the days. So you can test your knowledge by matching these. These are the days, in the blue ink, these are the days, and in the green ink are the dates. You have to match the days with the dates, and you can check your answers by playing the video again. If you like the lecture, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, also comment, give your reviews, and share it to your friends who need the video. Thank you for watching.